Hi, I am Arindam Mulli, and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Audio. You all are welcome to my C programming course. Our today's topic is insertion sort, part 21. But before starting, I will show you the output of the previous day code, means selection sort code. This is our selection sort code. I will already explain. This is our main logic. Okay, we will just keep on and practice. Okay, this is the code. Now click on execute, compile, then run. How many enter number of elements? Here enter 5. Elements are like 8, then 5, then 2, then 4, then 6. These are now. If you remember on my previous video on video 20, I will we had after tracing we had got this result, means 2 4 5 6 8. This is a sorted array. Now, so we go to the slide. What is insertion sort? In insertion sort is basically we have select an element, okay, and insert it on the correct position. That is our insertion sort. We select an element, means we choose an index. On that index there is an element. Now our target is that elements is inserted on the perfect place. Okay, it means correct position. What is the steps are there on insertion sort? Step 1, select an index value. First we have select an index value. Then step 2, compare with the all elements of the left hand side. Means the elements, these elements is compared with the all elements of the left hand sides of these elements. Now then increase the index, means update the, means go to the next index, next index, and select that element and compare with the previous elements. Okay, the insertion sort is used for the sort the smaller array. Okay, this is the thing. This is the array are there. This is the index value. First we have select this index, means 0. Now is there is the element of the left hand side of 77? No, so already it is sorted. Now increase the select value. Select, now select value is this, means select is now 1. Now compare the left hand side of the 31. What is the element of left hand side of the 31? 77. Now compare 31 is less than 77. Yes, condition is true because 77 is bigger, 31 is smaller. Swap them. 31 is goes here, 77 is go there. So 31 is go to come here, and 77 is after that 31. So this is a after swap. Then increase the select is 2. Then our select is now point here. Now compare the 77 with the previous two. Previous means left hand side values. First compare with the 42. Now check is 42 is less than 77. So select value is now 2. This means this is a select value is point here. Now compare. What is the select value? 42. Previous, what is the left hand side value? 77. Check. 42 is less than 77. What is the condition? Condition is true. So swap these two elements. Means 42 is goes there, 77 is go there. This is the update result. Okay. After updating, after swapping, this is the array. Become this. Means our updated array is this: 31, then 42, then 77, then 10 is 87. Next. Again, compared. Now, if we are compared with this, means 42 is less than 31, condition is false. So perfect position. 42 is fixed here. Now select value is increased to 3. Now check what is the index value, means what is the element of the array of 3? 10. Okay. Now compare with the left hand side elements. Compare with the 77. Is 10 is less than 77? Yes. Condition is to swap. 10 is go here and 77 is go there. Means after updation the array become this: 31, 42, 10, 77, 87. Now again compare with the previous left hand side element. Compare with the 42. 10 is less than 42. Yes, condition is true. Then swap. 10 is go here, 42 is go there. So after updation is array become 31, 10, 42, 77, 87. Then again compare with the left hand side element, means compare with the 31. Is 10, check, 10 is less than 31. Yes, condition is true. Swap. 10 is go here, 31 is go there. So 10, 31, 42, 77, 87. Okay. This is a sorted array because if our increment the select value is 4, is 87. Is check the value, means 87 is less than 77. Check that if you find that 87 is greater for the from all elements, so it is a perfect. So this is a sorted array. Now I will show you the algorithm now. This is our insertion sort algorithm. Okay. Now this is our insertion sort algorithm. This is a one loop. Okay, I will just explain here. You will understand it. I'll just explain. Okay. Now, how can insertion sort of algorithm is working? This is the array. Now, what is the value of I? I become or I equals to 1. So I equals to 1 means I is point here. I less than n. What is the n value here? 5 is how many elements? 5. I become 1. 1 is less than 5. Yes, condition is true. Then go to the body. Select equals to error of I. What is the error of I value? I means 1. So here I will show you that select. I will write here key. Select is nothing but a key. So I write this select as key. Okay, this means select and key are same. Okay, now check is a means error of 1 means 31 is stored on the key. Okay, now j equals to j minus 1. What is the j value? J become I minus 1 means what is the I value? 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means j is point here, I is point there. So I is 1, j is 0. Now check. While j greater than equals to 0 means 0 is greater than equals to 0. Condition is true. Ampersand is logical and select is less than error of j. What is the select value? Means what is the key value? What is the key value? 31 is less than error of j means error of 0. 77. 31 is less than 77 means what is that? Means this logical and means both condition is true, then the condition is true. Okay, go to the body of while loop. Here both are true. Means 31 is smaller than 77, not 70 is greater than 37. Then go to the body of while loop. Error of now here error of j plus 1. What is the j value here? J value is 0. That means error of 0 plus 1, error of 1 is equals to error of j. What is the j value? 0. That means error of 1 is equal assigned with error of 0 value. Error of 0 value is 77. So error of is 1 is assigned with the value 77. So 77 is stored on the error of 1. Now j equals to j minus 1. What is the j value? 0. Since 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay. So now again increment. Again go to the while loop. Check. If minus 1 is greater than equals to 0. Condition is false. Now escape from the while loop. Error of 0. Error of j plus 1. What is the j value now? Minus 1. That means error of minus 1 plus 1 means error of 0. Error of 0 equals to select means key 31. Key value is 31. So on error of 0 stored the 31. On error of 1 stored with 77. That means error of 0 become 31. Error of 1 becomes 77. After updating, this is the result. Next. Increment I become 2 now. 2 is less than 5. Yes. Now, what is the select or key? What is the now? Key equals to error of I means error of 2. What is the error of 2 value now? 42. 42 is stored here. Now, next, j equals to I minus 1 means 2 minus 1. J become 1 now. Now check. While j greater than equals to 0. 1 is greater than equals to 0. Obviously, fine. Ampersand. Key means 42 is less than error of j. What is the j value? 1 means error of 1 means 77. Check. 42 is less than 77. Yes, both condition is true. Inside the while loop. Go to the inside of the while loop. Error of j plus 1 means error of 1 plus 1. Error of 2 equals to error of j means error of 1. The value is error of 1 is 77. So 77 is stored in the error of 2 means here. Now decrement j means j become j equals to j minus 1 means what is the 1? J value 1. 1 minus 1. J becomes 0 now. Now, again, check the condition. 0 is greater than equals to 0. Yes, ampersand, ampersand. Ampersand, ampersand. What is the key value now? Key is become 42. Is less than AR of J. What is the J value now? Means what is the J value now? 0. AR of 0 means 31. 42 is less than 31. Condition is false. Now, escape from the while loop. AR of 0 plus. Now, AR of J plus 1. What is the value? What is the value of J? 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. AR of 1 is stored with key is 42. So, AR of 1 is become 42 and AR of 2 become 77. After updating, this is the 31, 42, 77. 77 is AR of 2 value and AR of 1 value is 42. Now, increment I become 3 now. Key equals to AR of J, sorry, AR of I. AR of I means 3. AR of 3 means 10. This value is stored in the key. Now, J equals to J I minus 1. What is the value of so what is the value of J? I minus 1 means 3 minus 1, which is 2. Okay? So calculate again. While J value 2 is greater than equal to 0, yes, ampersand, ampersand. Key value 10 is less than AR of J. AR of J means AR of 2. What is AR of 2 value? 77. 10 is less than 77. Condition is true. Now, AR of J plus 1, when is AR of 2 plus 1? 3 equals to AR of J means AR of 2. What is AR of 2 value now? 77. So, AR of 3 is stored with 77. Then J equals to J minus 1. Is 2 minus J become 1 now. Again, go to the while loop. Check the condition. 1 is greater than equals to 0. Yes, ampersand, ampersand. Key 10 is less than AR of J. AR of 1, 42. Yes. Then check. Go to the body of while loop. AR of 2 means AR of J plus 1 means 1 plus 1. AR of 2 equals to AR of J means AR of 1. What is the value of AR of 1? 42. So 42 is stored with the AR of 2. Then J equals to J minus 1 means J becomes 0 now. While check 0 is greater than equals to 0. Yes, ampersand, ampersand. Value of key 10 is less than AR of J means AR of 0. 31. 10 is less than 31. Yes. Then AR of 0 plus 1 means AR of J plus 1. Means what is the value of J? Now J value is 0 now. AR of 0 plus 1 means 1 is equals to AR of J means AR of 0. What is the value of AR of 0? 31. So 31 is stored with AR of 1. So J becomes J minus 1 means minus 1. Now if you check minus 1 is greater than equals to 0, stop. Escape from the while loop. Then what is the value now? AR of J plus 1 means minus 1. J value become minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 0. AR of 0 become select. Select means key 10. Now again this is an array after updation. Means what is I try to say that AR of 3 is become 77. AR of 2 become 42. AR of 1 become 31. And AR of 0 become 10. So this value is just I will insert here. Okay? 10, 31, 42, 77. I value is 4 now. Now key equals to AR of I means AR of 4. What is the AR of 4 value? 87. Now J become I minus 1 means 4 minus 1, 3. While 3 is greater than equals to 0. Yes, ampersand, ampersand. 87 is less than AR of J means AR of 3 is 77. Condition is false. If you are check, all are false because it is the highest value. So this is a sorted array. Okay. Now this is our insertion sort code. This is our main logic. This is our code. Main logic. Go to the click on execute. Click on compile. On run. Click on run. Then how many value are you enter? Enter the number. Like I will show you as I will start. 77, 31, 42,